Okay, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okay, so we proceed with the second example, but before that, okay, look at this mapping here. We have x and then we have a function f, so we got fx. Okay, so you also can write that y equals fx. Y equals fx, or you just can use fx. Okay, so now we continue with second example. Okay, so now consider fx equals 2x squared plus 3x plus 2. So when you replace x by 0 here, then you can replace x by 0 here, and then this one is 2 times 0 plus t times 0 plus 2, so the answer is 2. Okay, so now what happened when x equals 1? Okay, so replace x by 1, so 2 times 1 power of 2 plus 3 times 1 plus 2. Here is 2 plus 3 plus 2, so the answer here is 7. Okay, when x equals 3, so just replace x by 3. So 2 times 3 power of 2 plus 3 times 3 plus 2. So this one, 2 times 3 power of 2 is 9. So plus 9 plus 2. So 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 plus 2. So the answer here is 29, right? Okay, so next, find the value of fx when x equals minus 1. Okay, so f of minus 1, so 2 times negative 1 power of 2 plus 3 times negative 1 plus 2. Okay, so you should know that when the number of the negative number is power of 2, you will get positive, right? So multiply by 1, so 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus 2. So the answer here is 2 minus 3, negative 1, so the answer is 1. Okay, so now what happened when we have x equals x? Just like before. Okay, so f of s equals 2s power of 2. Okay, so plus 3x plus 2. Okay, this is the answer when you replace x by s. Okay, so before that, okay, I do think that I pronounce a here as x. So by right, this one is f of a equals 2a minus 3. Okay. Okay, so next, the third example. Oh no, sorry. Replace x by h. Okay, so f of x plus h equals 2 times x plus h power of 2 plus 3 times x power of h, x plus h plus 2. Okay, so you can simplify this, expand the bracket here, then you will get here is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus 3h plus 2. So simplify this, you will get 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h plus 2. Okay, that's when x equals x plus h. Okay, so for the next example, you are given fx equals 8x minus 1. So you need to find f of 2. That means here x equals 2. So replace x by 2 here. So 8 times 2 minus 1, you will get 15, right? Okay, so now the next example, you need to find the value of k if fk equals 3. Okay, so now we have here x, right? F of x. But now this one is fk. So you just replace x by k here. Then you will get f of k equals 8k. Replace x by k minus 1 equate to 3. Therefore, 8k equals 4. Then k equals 1 over 2. That's the value of k when f of k equals 3. Okay. So next, x is x squared. So replace x by x squared minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, so next, when x equals 1 minus x, so just replace x by 1 minus x minus 1. Masuk je. So simplify 8 minus 8x minus 1, and then simplify, you will get 7 minus 8x. Okay, so next, how do we know the line or curve is a function? Before this, you know the function by using mapping or image relation. Okay, input, output, right? Or object to image. Okay, so if you have line or curve, then you need to identify based on the graph whether the line or curve is a function. What you can do is you can use vertical line test. Okay, so vertical line test, that means you need to draw a vertical line on the line or curve, check the intersection point, and then if the vertical line intersect only at one point, so we can say that the function or the curve or the line is a function. Okay, otherwise it is not a function. Okay, so for example, okay, so if we have this one is the line y equals x. So what you need to do is you draw a vertical line that is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this is the vertical line. Check the point of intersection. We only have one point intersection, one intersection point. Okay, so we can say that this one is a function. Okay, so for second graph here, okay, you draw a line that is parallel to y-axis. So you can see that here the line intersect at 2 points. So this is not a function. Okay, so actually when you finish watching this video, you should know what is the, okay, so first, what is the definition of relation? What is the difference between function and relation? Okay, so you should know function and relation is related to an output to, relates an input to an output. Okay, So, and then you should know that function has a special rule. Sorry, function has special rule. That is one-to-one relation and many-to-one relation, but not many-to-many. Okay. So next, you should know how to find the value of fx if you are given the values of x. Okay. So next. Okay, and also you can find the value of k if you know the value of f k. Okay, so next, um, you can determine whether the curve or the line is a function or not by using vertical test. That is, you need to draw a vertical line on the line or curve given, then check the intersection point. If the line only intersect at one point, so you can say that the function or the graph is a function, otherwise it is not a function. Okay, so I stop here.